Hi, this 3,574 square meter lot area is located in Barangay Purukwan, Ulat, Silang, Cavite. It's a boundary of Tagaytay. 10 minutes going to the left is going to Santa Rosa Road. 25 minutes to Calax. Now, as you can see, this location right now is residential, semi-commercial already because of this accessibility to Tagaytay Marketplace, Tiktok Group, Mama Mary Shrine, and other subdivision around that area. Of course, it includes the 7-Eleven, Dali, groceries, the schools, gasoline station. This Barangay Ulat. It's a very good investment for all who are focusing on real estate property now.
Sweet Caroline, Sweet Caroline, 168